Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Kanong aiktin ka Parti Kongres ka B Sharma menta ka Sngi ka penpena baka Parti Kongres kan penlong ka Bharat Joro Yatra hakabau nong yelam ka AICC Rahul Gandhi on sedang na Kanyakumari na Tamil Nadu bat on penkot ha Jammu bat Kashmir bat dia kane ka Iaid Lynti kan long shispa san pau Sngi habakran shkilat pathai khubor menta ka Sngi ha Kongres Bhawan kanong aiktin ka Seng Kongres ka B Sharma kalaong baka jing penlong kane ka Bharat Joro Yatra kalong pensong thu shikipai ba habai dei baga jing sanshar ka BJP Naduh usnam arhajar khatsau Haduh menta hakini ki prasnam ki ba ka BJP kala sanshar kala wanra ka jingduk ka jingkhlam kam bar ka jingkiu dor ki mar ki mata ka balakta ki pai ba kari India kanong yalam ka Kongres kala keno ba ka jingdon jing em kari India ka balatei hakini ki nyo phosnam kane ka sarkar Modi kala IT shiki hespa Shushu kala yethu ru ki banyai lang badu Rahul Gandhi ken long shispa prapongun la syaru ikinong kersan ka parti bakinya don bentalang da ka bakin lait banyashim benta banyai lengba ki khat ar tli ki jella Naduh Tamil Nadu Haduh Jammu bat Kashmir.
As you are aware that we had a Mehengai board rally yesterday in New Delhi, which was led by our Congress leader Rahul Gandhi ji, which was participated with party leaders and workers from all over the country. In a similar vein, on 7th September, we are going to have the Bharat Joro Yatra. And today the press meet is on the itinerary of the Bharat Joro Yatra. Main goal of Bharat Joro Yatra is to take the people of the country the issues of economic, social and political. As we have seen in the last 8 years since the Modi government has come to power, the promises that were given by the BJP government led by Shri Narendra Modi, people had given him vote with a lot of trust, lot of hope. But what have we seen in the last 8 years? That all their hopes and trust have been destroyed. And we have seen that the trust they had in the BJP government, which the people voted to power, has been dismantled one by one. First and foremost, in the economic problem that we are facing now, the most important problem is price rise. At that time, they used to talk about the rise of petrol, the price rise issues. When they were in the opposition, they used to take to the streets. But what do we see now? Now for the common people, petrol has reached more than 100. Price rise is skyrocketing. For everybody, for you and me, for everybody, it's becoming very difficult to even make ends meet in the household. Every housewife, every man who works in an office, every daily wage earner feels the pinch of the skyrocketing prices. And what about the 2 crore jobs every year that they had promised? We don't see anything now. Unemployment has been the highest in the last 45 years. And even now, in every state, unemployment is a big issue. And our youths are very, very disheartened with what has been promised to them. So these 2 economic issues we want to take to the people of the country through the Bharat Joro Yatra.